Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to be changing the battery in the key. As you can see, the battery is not working in the key. So what we're going to be doing today is we are going to be replacing the battery. So the battery number for this key is for any new Subaru, I think 2015 on, if I'm not mistaken. The battery number for it is CR2032. You can get it in any brand. I think the original one is Panasonic. I just got whatever the shop had, most local to me, so we'll still do the trick. What you're going to need to do this is you're just going to need a small screwdriver, straight edge. What you're going to do is you're going to click this button out, take the key out, and you're just going to be splitting the back side of the cover. So just like this. Usually what I like to do is make a little gap. Try not to scratch the key itself on the silver part. And you just split it like that, and it all comes out. So I like to place it out the same way that it comes out, so that there, right there. And here's the battery here. I was right, it is a Panasonic CR2032, and also here CR2032. So now it's just a matter of simply unclicking it out of here. So once again, just with the straight edge screwdriver, clip it out like so, and there's your battery. I'll just place that down here in the middle. Open this up. And there's a new one here. This one's also made in Japan. So, and also make sure to get a lithium cell battery when you buy one, so it can last longer. And just simply slide it under the clips and click it in. And there's the computer on the back of the battery. So you just simply put this back into here, flip this over, and just click it back on. Make sure it's clipped in. That's it. Put that back in there. If I can see where it goes. That's it. So now the light's flashing, and when I go to unlock and lock the car, beautiful. So that's how you change. Quick video on how to change the battery on all new model Subarus. So thanks for watching, and hope this video helps.